expensive. In the current digital age, these literary materials compete with videos and articles online. Thus, people are reading books. To promote reading books, Big Bad Wolf is having the biggest book sale in the world, and it's happening right in Cebu.
Okay, the book sale will be July 13 at IEC. It will open at 8 a.m. and will not close for 10 days. That gives you 255 non-stop hours of shopping for the best books.
With several genres such as children's books, literature, non-fiction, business books, cookbooks, and more, you're sure to find a book for you in the book sale. All of these brand new but for a lower price.
The specifics of it though is that we buy in bulk and we buy direct from a lot of the suppliers in many countries. And then we drive our costs down. We get a lot of volunteers so that the cost of books is really low. The record-breaking book sale started in Malaysia in 2009. And since then, it has gone to many countries. And every time we go to a country, it's all about bringing millions of books, attracting millions of people. It is also about having non-stop shopping, non-stop, 24 hours for 10 days. Also, it's about holding it in many countries.
The proceeds from the book sale will benefit programs from their partner NGO, Gawad Kalinga.
We're very excited to invite everybody to Big Bad Wolf book sale. It's going to happen July 13 to 23 at IEC. You won't believe the kinds of books that you're going to get. It's going to be 1 million books going at 60 to 80% discount, and it's going to be open 24 hours for 10 days. Now, there's nothing like the experience of seeing all these brand new quality books. So we'd like to invite you to come on over July 13 at IEC.
For more information about the Big Bad Wolf book sale, you may check out their Facebook and Instagram, BBW Books, Philippines.
It is the world's biggest book sale. There's not many comparisons to what we will be bringing here. And when somebody sees millions of books, it is such an experience, we promise.